Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use speech recognition to search for products on the Revolve application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and click on the menu icon or tap on the search icon at the top of the page next to the heart icon. Here within the search bar you can find this microphone icon, so tap on it, tap on open settings to enable the application to have access to your microphone. So search for the app, tap on it and click on speech recognition on the right side of the screen to allow the app to have access to it. Go back to the application, click on the search button again, tap on the microphone icon and tap on OK, so that the app will have access to your microphone and you can start speaking and search for products. T-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt. So here you can see that you need to press the microphone icon. Once it turns to white, you will be able to begin speaking. Here you have the product that it recognized from your speech. So here you can start browsing and you can also narrow down your search by providing more information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.